Hey, what's up guys? Dan Kraus here again. And I was out in the shop today and decided to make another useful tool for paintless dent repair. So this is a rod holder kind of contraption that I've welded up, and this pipe here, basically this part here will go through a hole either in a sail panel or a door, and then you just tighten this nut down all the way and it will clamp. It'll clamp in between the door or the hole or whatever, and then you could angle this whichever way to get the best leverage. And then you'll be able to put your tool through here and pick away. So yeah, that was kind of fun. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I made this thing real quick this morning, and yeah, so here we go.